So in the other video, you got to see me give you the layout for the flat coaster holder. So here's mine. You can do anything you want. So I did a solid color and I went this way with my stitch and that way with my stitch on all three sides. Then on the front, I started here and I just went all the way to the end until I ran out of squares. And then I cut me a little dip. I did a 3, 3, and 3, and then I cut it out. And then on the inside, you see the little pink lining because it's for my little roses. So I put little roses or beads or something. I probably should have did white, but I wanted the pink to match. And then once you put your coasters in there, it turned out so perfect. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So now I have my coasters, my coaster holder. I just love it. And then you're able to, pick them out, whichever one you want to use. So I'm excited. I think it turned out beautiful. I love the little roses on there, or little beads, whatever you want to call them. I think it just turned out so cute. I just love it. So you can use any colors you want. I used this real pretty teal green and the pink because I thought it'd make it pop on camera. But you're welcome to use any color you choose. And I chose not to do the bottom. You can do the bottom if you want. And you can stitch it so that the bottom is like this. So when someone takes the last coaster out, there's like a little surprise inside. Or you can choose to do this side. Or you can do two. You can put one here and then one there. And then just put a little stitch in the corners. And then have two designs. So it's up to you. But I would probably just put one in the bottom and have a cute little design in the bottom for this as the last one for your little coasters. So I have all kinds of little fun coasters. Got Halloween, flowers, crayons. So it will be fun. It will be full of fun little cute different designs. So there you go. So now she's full. She holds a lot. She'll hold more. So, and there you have it. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6. So she'll probably hold 8. I would say she'd probably hold 8. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, she'll hold 8. And you can still go a little higher. So she holds 8. So, I love it. I think it's so adorable. I hope that you like it. Please leave a comment if you have any tips, ideas, or suggestions in the comment section. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this idea or like the design. I just love this. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.